Hey guys, HVAC repair guy here, bringing you 17 years of field experience as a technician, installer, and contractor, on top of my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are looking at two entry-level, standard efficiency heat pumps to help you figure out which one belongs outside your home. The Maytag PSH4BE and the Comfortmaker Performance 14 N5H5S. The Maytag PSH4 B utilizes a standard painted sheet metal frame with louvered coil protection panels. The Comfortmaker N5H5S uses a solid pre-painted sheet metal casing paired with a dense wire coil guard. Wire guards give you slightly better airflow and make it easier to rinse debris out of the coil during annual maintenance, whereas full louvered panels offer more physical protection against hail or lawnmower debris. Looking at heating performance, both of these units deliver a 7.5 HSPF2 rating. HSPF2 measures how efficiently the heat pump transfers heat into your home during the winter season. A 7.5 rating is the baseline modern standard for standard efficiency heat pumps. What that means for you in real-world winter operation is that both systems will comfortably handle moderate cool weather, but in true sub-zero cold climate conditions, you will be relying on backup electric heat strips or a dual-fuel gas furnace to keep up. Moving to compressor and fan technology, both systems are single-speed setups. They use single-stage scroll compressors paired with single-speed outdoor fan motors. Single-stage equipment is either running at 100% capacity or it is off, which means slightly more temperature swings indoors and more on-off cycling, but it also means simple time-tested components that are easier to troubleshoot. The Maytag PSH4BE comes in at roughly 71 to 72 decibels, while the Comfortmaker N5H5S runs as low as 70 to 72 decibels depending on tonnage. To put that into real-world terms, 70 to 72 decibels is roughly equivalent to a vacuum cleaner running inside or a dishwasher running in the room next to you. Looking at equipment manufacturing, the Maytag PSH4BE was produced under Nortec Global HVAC, which was purchased by Ream Manufacturing. The Comfortmaker N5H5S is manufactured by International Comfort Products, which is part of Carrier. In terms of real-world installed pricing, current market ranges for complete, turnkey, single-stage split heat pump replacements typically run between $5,500 and $8,500 depending on size, location, and installation complexity. Comfortmaker generally trends slightly lower on equipment cost, while Maytag carries a slight premium due to its warranty coverage. Warranty is where these two split paths clearly. The Comfortmaker N5H5S comes with a standard 10-year parts limited warranty upon timely registration. Maytag backs the PSH4BE with a 12-year limited parts warranty along with their 12-year dependability promise, which provides a full outdoor unit replacement if the compressor fails within that 12-year window, provided the unit is registered. My honest recommendation goes to the Maytag PSH4BE. Since both systems offer identical efficiency, single-stage technology, and similar sound levels, the decision comes down to risk protection. And Maytag's 12-year warranty with full unit replacement coverage gives you 2 extra years of peace of mind and better long-term protection on the most expensive part in the system.